In 20 IUD devices will be expelled in the first 3 months after insertion. After this, the risks of expulsion diminish. Given that some expulsions are not always obvious to women, IUD users should be advised to perform regular self-checkup for the presence of thread in the upper vagina to ensure the device is still present. Infection. The overall risk of pelvic infection in the first 6 weeks of following insertion of IUD is low. Thereafter, the risk of infection is the same as a woman not using contraception. In most cases, IUD can be left in situ and antibiotic therapy commences. If an IUD is removed, then the clinician should provide oral emergency contraception if required, that is, due to recent unprotected sex. Actinomyces-like organisms are commonly identified on the cervical smear in the woman with and without an IUD. The role of ALO infection in IUD user is not clear. If a woman with an IUD has an ALO but has no symptoms of infection, then IUD can be left in situ. However, if ALOs are present and a woman with an IUD has symptoms of infection, then the device should be removed and penicillin-based antibiotic given. In addition, women with symptoms of pelvic infection with an IUD should be tested for STD in order to minimize the risk of pelvic infection. Screening women at risk of STI before insertion is advised. Prophylactic antibiotic, at least to cover chlamydia, can be given to women at high risk of infection if insertion need to be done before results of tests are known. तो ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. Missing threads. Missing threads may indicate pregnancy, expulsion or perforation. However, it is often the case that the threads are merely sitting in the cervical canal or uterus. A pregnancy test should be performed in emergency contraception alternate conception provided until the IUD can be confirmed to be in situ, either by visualization of the thread on speculum examination or an ultrasound confirming presence of IUD within the uterus. बरियर कंट्रासेप्शन में कंडोम यूज़ करते हैं, चीप हैं, एसटीडी प्रिवेंट करते हैं, कोई इसमें खाम की बातें हैं. डायफ्राम है, कैप, ये भी कोई इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. स्पेसिफाइड अलोन इज नॉट रिकमेंडेड फॉर प्रिवेंशन प्रेगनेंसी एज इट इज लो इफेक्टिवनेस होती है. Nanoxyl N9 is general product sold as a gel, cream, foam, sponge, specially for use with diaphragms or scalp. Some data says that frequent use of N9 might increase the risk of HIV transmission. It is therefore no longer recommended for women who are at high risk of HIV infection. Female sterilizing. This is the permanent method of contraception. Laparoscopic sterilization, most commonly in the fallopian tube, which Filchi class effective contraception should be used. ये वैसे तुम्हें सब पता ही है, इसमें कोई सी समझाने वाली बात नहीं है, लेकिन फिर मोटा मोटा बताते थे. वुमेन हु पोज अ हायर सर्जिकल रिस्क ड्यू टू ओबेसिटी और प्रीवियस एब्डोमिनल सर्जरी फॉर एग्जाम्पल मे बी बेटर suited for hysteroscopic approach. Women who are requesting sterilization at the same time as having cesarean section must be counseled and give consent for this well in advance of this procedure. Since sterilization results in a permanent loss of fertility and involves a surgical procedure, it is important that valid consent is obtained. Individuals would be deemed unable to consent